My name's Corey Holzman. I'm the Operations and Maintenance Project Manager for the City of Groveland with Woodard & Curran. And we maintain and operate 5 water treatment plants, 2 wastewater treatment plants. And some of the things that you may not be familiar with is our vac station, our irrigation pump station, and all of the lift stations that are around the city. We strive for a level of commitment to the city to make sure that all the level of service exceeds your expectations at all times. We have 21 utility professionals that encompass the entire team. If you ever had any questions about what we do or kind of where the project is going as far as the city of Groveland, we produce a monthly status report that is published on the city website. And that's updated every month to go over capacity, financial, new project initiatives.
I'm in charge of now embarking on $260 million worth of utility project. A couple new wastewater plants, a new drinking water plant, a whole new irrigation pumping system, new meters for all the existing customers. So in order to do this, we need to borrow some of that money, and we're talking about less than 1% interest if we simply work with the Florida Department of Environmental Protection. And all that they require to loan us this money is to have a good rate structure in place and a good impact fee program. So as we've gone through those steps working with them, we're now about to get $60+ million in grant money, no loans, pure grants, and then the rest of it super low interest loans. And we're going to be able to accomplish so much in the next 5 years that we'll have modern utilities. So very exciting times.
We have created a pro forma invoice for our customers so that you can see today what your rate is, and in the future, you can actually send us an email to customer service at groveland-fl.gov and say, compare my rate, and give us your service address. And within 24 to 48 hours, we will turn that request around back to you so you can receive that comparison.
My name is Carly Sandoval. I'm the city's water conservation specialist. Water conservation is extremely important as it ensures sustainability for future generations. We can do that by making sure we irrigate our lawns properly, which includes no irrigation between the hours of 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Ensuring that your irrigation runs on your designated day, and then also making sure it only runs for a duration of 1 hour when it does run. Other conservation tips: running dishwashers only when they're at full capacity. Same thing with your laundry, running your washer when it's at full capacity, making sure you don't have leaks.
I'm a former engineer and management consultant, so I did rate studies and master planning for a living, and I've had the opportunity to be involved with that. So I was able to write some letters of support, especially for the connection fee increases, to make sure growth pays for growth. That was very key for me. And also to support the needed utility rate increases for water, wastewater, and our reclaimed water.
This is not the first one I've attended that we've done for the strategic plan, and now for this one as well. And we've had a pretty good turnout to a lot of the things. And of course, like everything else out there, there's misinformation. So this nips a lot of that in the bud, putting it right in front of your face. So hopefully people will share information after the fact and actually sharing the correct information, because knowledge is still power to learn about it.